Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead and access your particular PrizePicks app and sign in. Once you have signed in, simply go ahead and go to the section of your payment method, where you shall be able to add your payment method, which is simply debit and credit card as well. When you go to the debit and credit card, make sure to add your Cash App card there, Cash App card number there in either of the option, so you can add Cash App as one of the payment method. Now payment method works for both depositing fund and withdrawing fund. And then when you go to request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or as I mentioned, debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account, you can request a withdrawal. So for that, again, go to the menu, locate in the top right corner, and then tap on request a withdrawal. Once you request a withdrawal, go ahead, choose the option your debit card, where you will have Cash App connected, and then tap on it, and then go ahead, add the amount you would like to withdraw. Make sure you haven't reached your limit. If you have, then wait another 24 hours to do so according to the PrizePicks, and then go ahead and enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. You will receive an OTP regarding that. Once you have added the OTP, you are good to go. Then if your withdrawal has been successful, you will receive a mail regarding it. Check it out. That's how you should know that you have successfully withdrawal to your Cash App. That's how you can simply withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.